Hi everyone, welcome to Key to Blogging, and in this video I will show you how can create a privacy policy page in your WordPress website. So last video I showed you how to create a contact us page in WordPress, and in this video I will show you how you can create a privacy policy page in your WordPress website. So let's go to the dashboard and let's go to the pages section here. And by default WordPress create a privacy policy draft page, and you can also go to settings, and here you will see this option privacy, and here you will see this option use this page as a privacy policy page. So let's click on use this page. Now let's go to the pages here. Now let's click on edit page here. Now it will show a guidelines like this, and you can change the website URL like that, and you can make some changes with your privacy policy page and hit publish button. But if you want to do it professionally, then you can use a privacy policy generator. So let me just simply search for privacy policy generator. And let's click on first result here, and it will ask you to enter the company name. So let me just add my company name here, and it will ask you to add the URL of your website. So let's copy the URL and let's add the URL here, and website field let me just add my website name. Now let's click on next, and it's asking to do you use cookies on your website. Yes, I'm using cookies, and you can also set the Google AdSense to yes, and let's click on yes and next. Now you can enter your country and state, and you can add your email address. So let me just add my email address here. Now let's click on generate my privacy policy. So it will take some time to generate it for you. And as you can see, this is the preview of your privacy policy page. So let's copy the text from here. I will copy this text, and now let me just delete all this section from here, and I will paste that copied code here. And as you can see, our privacy policy page text is now added. Now scroll off, and so we don't need this one. Our privacy policy was created with this tool, so I will delete this line, and I can highlight some of the words like key to blogging, and I can highlight the link here, and I can convert it to a link. So you can basically edit this page, and then you need to click on pages here, click on permalink, and you can set the URL slot like privacy policy or simply privacy here. Now let's click on publish here. Now let's click on view page here, and as you can see, this is how the privacy policy looks like this. So in this way you can easily create a privacy policy page in your WordPress website. So let's remove the top padding from here. So let's click on edit page here. Now I will click on this button, and let's disable the content vertical padding. So let's disable it, and I can set it as a narrow page. Now let's click on update. Now let's click on view page, and as you can see, the privacy policy is added in our WordPress website. So just go to the dashboard and go to the settings and click on privacy here, and make sure to select the privacy policy as your privacy policy in WordPress. I hope this video helps you create a privacy policy page in WordPress within minutes, and if you have any doubt regarding this, you can ask me in the comment section. And if you found this video helpful, then make sure to hit the like button and do subscribe our channel for more upcoming videos like this. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.